Imagine waking up one morning and everything around you is just a blur. Street signs you once read easily are now fuzzy. Your favorite book seems impossible to enjoy. And maybe worst of all, you feel isolated, cut off from the details of life you've always loved. For people over 60, this fear is becoming more real every day. In one major study, researchers found your eyes can lose up to 30% of their protective macular pigment every decade. After 60, that means millions of people right now are quietly losing their sight, often without even realizing it until the damage is done. Maybe you've noticed changes creeping in. Reading feels harder, faces are a little less sharp, or driving at night leaves you anxious. You're not alone. Many people feel frustrated, even hopeless, believing that vision decline is just a part of getting older. But what if you could fight back? What if there were cutting-edge solutions, backed by research, that you could start using today to protect and even restore your vision? In one study, scientists discovered that people using a handful of simple, natural techniques could actually regain lines of sight on eye charts without surgery or expensive procedures. Imagine reading your grandchild's card, recognizing loved ones at a distance, or confidently moving around at night. What if these solutions were as close as your kitchen, your smartphone, or an affordable device? Stay with me, because you're about to learn 3 evidence-based approaches that may help you reclaim clear vision. Starting today, does this sound like your story? When was the last time you wished your eyes could do what they used to, or stopped an activity you love because of your changing sight? Research suggests there may still be hope, even when it feels like options have run out. Ready to find out what's possible? This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Let's begin with the first transformative method, red light regeneration. Few people realize the eyes have a remarkable built-in ability to heal, but often lack the right input to activate it. Recently, NASA began testing red light on astronauts in space and saw an unexpected effect. Faster healing, including improved vision. Later, researchers at University College London found that a unique wavelength of red light, specifically 670 nanometers, may help recharge the batteries of your retinal cells, boosting their ability to function even as you age. Why is this important? After age 40, those retinal cells lose up to 70% of their power. No wonder so many people experience fading vision or dullness. In a groundbreaking trial, older adults spent just 3 minutes each morning with a specialized red light device. After only 2 weeks, participants saw color vision improve by 20% and low light vision get 25% sharper. Some people found themselves reading without glasses for the first time in years. When researchers repeated the process, they kept getting the same results. Red light, applied correctly, seems to slow and even reverse some age-related changes in the eyes. Using this at home requires a little know-how. Not all red lights are equal. You need a lamp or device rated specifically for red light therapy, with output between 660 and 670 nanometers. Christmas lights and cheap red bulbs just won't have the right wavelength. Reliable therapy devices usually cost around $60. Check reviews to make sure you're getting a legitimate product. Plenty of imitators don't offer the true 670 nanometers you need. Once you've got the right device, the setup is simple. Each morning, within 1 hour of waking, sit about a foot from the light with your eyes gently closed. Set a timer for 3 minutes. Less than 2 minutes seems to add little benefit, and more than 5 minutes may lead to eye discomfort. The light penetrates your eyelids at the perfect dose. Never look directly at the lamp with open eyes. Timing matters. Your retinas respond best when treated in the morning, but the other side of protecting your vision is reducing the stress it faces during the day, especially from blue light. Think of red light as charging your eyes and blue light as draining them. Modern screens, phones, tablets, laptops blast your eyes with blue light that speeds up wear and tear on the cells you're trying to repair. Researchers in France found that blue light can damage the parts of the retina responsible for feeding and protecting vision cells. Over the years, this leads to a toxic buildup. People over 60 can have 5 times more of these harmful byproducts than young adults. Fortunately, science suggests combining morning red light therapy with all-day blue light protection can substantially cut that risk. In one study, mixing both approaches reduced cellular waste in the eyes by 40% in just a few months. How do you protect yourself from blue light? Start with your screens. For iPhones, go to Settings and activate Night Shift at its warmest setting all day long. Android users, look for Night Light or Blue Light Filter. For computers, install something like Lux to automatically shift your screen color based on the time of day. Yes, things look orange, your brain will adapt, but your eyes will rest easier. But screens are only half the story. The bulbs in your home matter too. Swap any standard LED bulbs for warm white LEDs rated 700 Kelvin or lower. Standard bulbs 500 K plus blast your eyes with blue light, especially damaging at night. Soft, warm light immediately relaxes your vision. Many people even report better sleep after making this change. Want an extra edge? For the final 3 hours before bed, switch to pure red lighting in your bedroom and bathroom. Get inexpensive red LED bulbs, or use your red light therapy device itself as a room lamp. This eliminates blue light during your eye's prime recovery period and lets red wavelengths continue healing your retinal cells. Research from the University of California shows that combining both red light therapy and blue light blocking may dramatically increase improvements. In their study, older adults who used both saw 3 times better vision gains compared to those who only used red light therapy. Let me share James's story. At 71, he was told his macular degeneration would leave him legally blind within 5 years. After starting daily red light therapy and making his home blue light safe, his next eye exam was a shock to his doctor. That is, his vision had not only stabilized, it improved so much that he could legally drive again at night. Now that you know how protecting and rebuilding your eye cells works, let's talk about another hidden culprit: oxygen starvation inside the eye. Many people don't realize, but the small vessels feeding your retina can clog with microscopic plaque over time. By age 60, your eye's blood supply may drop by up to 40%. Your vision becomes foggy, blurry, and you may even feel pressure or fatigue in your eyes by late afternoon. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone, but there's hope. Scientists at the Shiley Eye Institute found that applying a special combination of deep breathing and eye movements can increase blood flow to the eye by up to 32% in just minutes. Done regularly, this technique appears to stimulate new vessel growth, like building mini bypasses, helping your eyes flush away waste and receive more nutrients. Translating into sharper vision, here's how you do the 20 flooding technique. Sit comfortably with a straight back. Take a deep, 4-second breath through your nose, filling your lungs fully. Now, hold that breath and trace a sideways figure, 8 infinity shape with your eyes, keeping your head still. Do this pattern for exactly 20 seconds while holding your breath. Then, exhale gently through your mouth over 6 seconds. Repeat this 5 times in a row, and aim to do it 3 times daily. First thing in the morning, again mid-afternoon, and once more before dinner. The entire process takes less than 3 minutes per session. You can set an alarm to build the habit. There's a special tip that makes this even more effective palming. After you inhale, gently place your palms over your closed eyes during the breath hold. Don't push, just feel the warmth. This was used by ancient healers. The darkness resets your retina, and warmth helps increase blood flow. Modern research confirms this combination can be up to 25% more effective. When you hold your breath, carbon dioxide rises a little, causing those tiny vessels to open wider. The gentle eye movements pump circulation through, similar to how power washing a clogged pipe cleans it out. In a Stanford University experiment, nearly 90% of older people who tried this improved their vision within a month. Most gained 1 to 2 extra lines on the eye chart. Many reported less trouble driving at night, or even found that floater spots became less distracting. Some people feel a bit dizzy at first, totally normal, as parts of your eye suddenly receive more oxygen. If so, start with 15-second holds and build up. Don't overdo it or push until you're uncomfortable. In general, this approach is very safe. But if you have uncontrolled blood pressure, talk with your doctor first. Why is this so promising? Because your retina, pound for pound, uses more oxygen than any other tissue. When its blood supply drops, cells start suffocating, leading to the vision loss so many seniors fear. This exercise triggers special growth factors proteins that signal your body to actually sprout new vessels and lay down healthy new pathways. In simple terms, you're helping your eyes rebuild their own internal rescue system. Let's take a moment for another micro story. Mary, a retired teacher, was missing her evening book club because reading left her eyes aching. She started this technique every morning and within 3 weeks found herself breezing through chapters again. Her energy returned, and so did her confidence. Feeling inspired. Imagine if you could combine this simple daily practice with the power of red light regeneration and blue light reduction. But we're not done yet. There's one more evidence-based approach, hidden in plain sight, a natural compound that may help restore and protect your vision on the inside. The Marigold Protocol is rooted in research from the University of Georgia. It centers on lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 nutrition powerhouses found in the vibrant petals of marigold flowers. These compounds act as your eye's natural sunglasses, shielding critical cells from harmful light and supporting sharp vision. What's astonishing is just how much impact supplementing with marigold extract may have, especially when taken right. In a landmark study, older adults took 20 milligrams of natural lutein plus 4 milligrams of zeaxanthin from marigold flowers each day. Within 12 weeks, their eyes' protective pigment increased by almost 40%. After a year, their vision improvement reached over 50%. Some even canceled planned eye surgeries and tossed their old reading glasses. Why marigold extract and not synthetic? Natural lutein from marigold flowers is absorbed by the retina 3 times better than the artificial versions. To get it working for you, take 20 milligrams of lutein with breakfast, paired with some healthy fat such as olive oil, half an avocado, or a small handful of nuts. The fat boosts absorption dramatically without it. Your body barely uses what you take. Zeaxanthin teams up with lutein, targeting the most central, high-definition part of the eye, the fovea, where sharpest vision occurs. Marigold extracts deliver both in the perfect ratio. When shopping for a supplement, look for labels that say from Tagetes erecta, the Latin name for marigold, and specify they contain both lutein and zeaxanthin. Proper timing is essential. Morning is best because your eyes use these nutrients throughout the day to defend against light stress. Taking them at night is, well, like wearing sunglasses in the dark, hardly useful. And avoid common mistakes. Never combine your marigold supplement with high-fiber cereal, bran, coffee, or tea during breakfast. Since these all block absorption, wait at least an hour before your morning cup of coffee. If you take iron, have it with dinner, not breakfast. Want to boost your result even more? Pair your supplements with foods naturally high in these vision-protecting compounds. Kale is king. A cup of lightly sautéed kale in olive oil offers a perfect, highly absorbable dose. Spinach and egg yolks are also great. Orange peppers are a secret source of zeaxanthin. A single pepper nearly matches a day's need. And corn, especially when frozen and cooked, adds another easy bump. But remember, real progress takes time. Most people notice subtle improvements near the end of the first month, with significant changes by 3 months. That's natural. As your body rebuilds protective pigment inside the eye, think of it as planting a garden. Improvements grow slowly, but last long if you keep up the routine. A quick word on drug safety. If you're on blood thinners or medicine for diabetes, talk to your doctor first. Lutein and zeaxanthin generally have few side effects, but can, in some cases, adjust the way your body processes medications. It's always best to check before making any major changes. Why not just get these from your daily diet? While possible, it's very difficult. For most, it would require eating cups and cups of kale, eggs, and peppers each day. Quality marigold supplements are a practical, effective approach. Let's put it all together. Imagine waking up and taking your marigold supplement with a nourishing breakfast. You follow up with 3 minutes of soothing red light therapy. Then a couple of short breathing and eye movement sessions, scattered throughout the day. Each of these solutions relies on a different pathway, replenishing nutrients, improving blood flow, and activating natural cell repair. Used together, they amplify each other. At the end of the day, each method offers real hope supported by scientific research from Harvard, NIH, and other leading researchers. You don't have to face vision loss as an inevitable part of aging. You can take action, starting today. If 3 habits sound daunting, start with the Marigold supplement. It's easy, takes almost no time, and sets the stage for greater benefits. Add red light therapy next for a daily boost. Save the eye exercises as a bonus. It's just a few minutes for a lifetime of clearer sight. Together, these small changes can deliver big, lasting results. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips on living a healthy and vibrant life after 50 pounds. And check out the next video on reversing insulin resistance for even deeper insight. If you've ever felt tired or struggled with vision changes after 50 pounds, this channel is for you. Your story matters. Share what vision activity you miss most, or which tip surprised you today in the comments below. Thank you for watching.